Technology has always changed the way humans live and work. From the Industrial Revolution to the rise of the Internet, every major breakthrough has reshaped society in ways people once thought impossible. But today, we are entering a new phase, one where machines are not just assisting humans, but beginning to replace them in critical roles. Artificial intelligence, robotics, automation, and biotechnology are advancing at a pace that challenges traditional ideas about employment, creativity, and even decision-making. Here are shocking facts about technologies that are rapidly moving toward replacing human roles in ways many people never expected. Artificial intelligence can now create content faster than professional creators. Artificial intelligence systems powered by advanced language models are now capable of writing articles, generating scripts, producing marketing copy, and even composing poetry in seconds. What once required hours of human brainstorming, drafting, and editing can now be done almost instantly by AI tools. These systems are trained on massive datasets and can mimic tone, style, and structure with remarkable accuracy. Beyond text, AI can also generate realistic images, videos, and music. In some cases, AI-generated art has won competitions against human artists. Businesses are increasingly relying on AI to produce blog posts, social media content, and product descriptions because it significantly reduces costs and production time. This shift is not just about convenience, it directly impacts journalists, graphic designers, copywriters, and other creative professionals. Self-driving vehicles are redefining transportation jobs. Autonomous vehicle technology has advanced rapidly over the past decade. Self-driving cars, trucks, and delivery robots are already being tested and deployed in various parts of the world. These vehicles rely on sensors, cameras, machine learning algorithms, and real-time data processing to navigate roads without human drivers. The transportation sector employs millions of people globally, including taxi drivers, truck drivers, delivery couriers, and public transport operators. However, as autonomous systems improve, companies are investing heavily in driverless solutions to reduce labor costs, increase efficiency, and minimize human error. Autonomous trucks can operate for longer hours without fatigue, reducing delivery times and fuel inefficiencies. Self-driving taxis eliminate the need for a human operator entirely. Even last-mile delivery is increasingly handled by robots and drones. AI is starting to diagnose diseases more accurately than doctors. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare by analyzing medical data with extraordinary speed and precision. Machine learning algorithms can review thousands of medical images, such as X-rays, MRI, and CT scans within seconds. In some studies, AI systems have matched or even surpassed human doctors in detecting certain conditions, including cancers and eye diseases. These systems work by identifying patterns that may be too subtle for the human eye. Because they are trained on massive datasets, they can detect early warning signs that doctors might overlook, especially under time pressure. AI tools are also assisting in predicting patient outcomes and recommending personalized treatment plans. This does not mean doctors are becoming obsolete. Human empathy, ethical judgment, and patient communication remain essential. However, diagnostic roles that once relied entirely on human expertise are increasingly supported and sometimes led by AI. Robots are replacing human workers in warehouses and factories. Industrial automation is not new, but modern robotics has reached a level of sophistication that dramatically reduces the need for human labor. In warehouses and manufacturing plants, robots now handle sorting, packaging, lifting, and assembling with incredible speed and precision. Unlike humans, robots do not require breaks, vacations, or overtime pay. They can operate 24 hours a day with consistent performance. Advanced robotic arms equipped with sensors and AI vision systems can identify objects, adjust movements, and avoid obstacles in real time. E-commerce growth has accelerated this transformation. Companies rely on automated fulfillment centers to meet high consumer demand and fast delivery expectations. As a result, many routine jobs in logistics and production are disappearing or being significantly reduced. While automation increases productivity and lowers operational costs, it also creates social challenges related to unemployment and skill gaps. Workers who once performed repetitive tasks must now transition to more technical roles or face job displacement.